Let's replace the USB port on this 2021 Chevy Silverado. It was the new USB port. That one is not working, and I'm gonna show you how to replace it. All you need for this job is a flat blade screwdriver like this, a pocket screwdriver, and you're going to go behind it like this, and you pry it off to disengage those clips. All right, and you work your way around it. Do the same thing on the other side. There it is. And what you're gonna do now, you're going to remove those two connectors, disengage the wet tab like this, and you're going to push down this tab here and pull it out. Same thing here. Maybe you can do that one with your hand. Okay, let's do the same thing. There it is. Good. Here's your new one. Plug it in. Same thing here. And engage the wet tab. Okay. And secure it in the spot. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.